Like I said, this is a 46 GMC truck. It has weld wire, true wire wheels, front and rear. I believe the rear tires are 21.5. They're 15, 21.5, 33s. Pretty monster tire for true wires. Has a 8-foot bed. It was 2 foot added into the bed. Right now I'm using a boat gas tank, which is probably, I think, 26 or 28 gallon, which makes that very nice. It does have a 10-bolt rear end. No Positrack. Needs to have Positrack added into it, I would think. This little 327, which is 60 over. Roller rockers, headers, and outside the headers you have 2 little cherry bombs, and then they're running through those semi stacks. As you can tell, it sounds great. I'm trying to think. This 327, I'll show you a little quick shot of it. I just installed a new aluminum radiator. It cools, it runs about 165 all the time. Electric fan in front of it, a mechanical fan behind it. Like I said, the 327 has 60 over pistons, roller rocker cam. I don't know what size the cam is, but you can tell it sounds great. This truck is for sale. I believe right there is my number, if you can see that. It will be on eBay the 1st of August 2016. It'll only be on there for 1 month. After that, I don't expect any calls. I'm sure it'll be gone. All the lights work, running lights. It does have a crank out windshield, which the crank is missing. I've been looking for that. I can't find it. The truck works well. It doesn't stop on a dime. It does have power disc brakes. I think it could use a new power brake booster and master cylinder. Like I said, it stops, but not on a dime. And for a hot rod, I like to stop on a dime. But this is a nice truck. It's a lot of fun. It's fast. It is different. If you like being different and you want to stand out, this should be you. This is a very fun truck to drive. I drive it all the time. I've taken it 200 and some miles, about 260 miles to Louisville and back to Street Rod Nationals twice. I've put a lot of miles on this truck, and it is fun. The CB is not hooked up. There is antennas and an old passing mirror. I don't know if you know what those are. They're very rare. But this truck is fun. It's fast. You'd like it. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.